My name is Jackie Schaefer, the owner of Recovery Cleaners. We're located in Madison Heights, Michigan. I have been in this industry for 25 years. What makes us unique at Recovery Cleaners is that we have an amazing culture. Our staff here has many years of experience, and our average tenure here is about 17 years. We do fire restoration and water restoration. My staff will go outside and they go into somebody's house that has had a fire, put it in bags, and they bring it back here, and that's what gets it from there to here. Then once it's inside, we have a completely separate process that goes through the sorting, the tagging, the inventorying, the odor removal, and then down to the cleaning, the finishing, and the storing. When we brought Poseidon into our facility, we mixed it up with smaller machines and larger machines, as opposed to having all large machines, which is what Mike Stuckey recommended to us. That played a big role in efficiency for us. We are now getting more loads per day, between 3 to 5 loads extra per day, and that actually produces itself into about 1,000 pounds a week. That's 52,000 pounds a year that we're getting extra out of changing just some of our machines, and we haven't moved them all to Poseidon, so naturally that's something that we're desperately doing here. My previous machines are hard nut. So in here, that means you almost have to get a permit. So then we get the Poseidon machines, and the Poseidon machines come in and they just plant them, and they're there. And then when they move, the machines don't move, just the inside moves. So for us, the cost alone of just installing the Poseidons, if you can imagine, no permits, no cement to dig up, nothing like that, and it doesn't ruin the bearings. And if they put a slightly smaller load in a Poseidon machine, it's not going to shake it off its bearings. Poseidon machines have an air dry that seems to be a lot different than what we've been used to. So we're able to put finer garments into the air dry, and it does no damage. Since we've received the Poseidon equipment, we've noticed that our dryers are decreasing the finishing time because they have a couple of different options for low heat drying. And when you can put some garments in there in the low heat dry, we're finding that they're coming out less wrinkled. So now when it goes down to finishing, whereas before it would have needed a full press, it now only needs a light touch-up. I've been working with Mike Stuckey for quite a few years. He came upon the Poseidon machine, and he talked to me about it for probably 6 or 7 months before he ever had one. And he told me, you have to see this, I'd like you to see this machine. Stuckey, it's perfect for your facility. And he gave me the story on it. He told me what he was doing with it. He said, you're going to love this machine. Let me put one in your facility. Let me see what it is. And then the trust came in. Jack, if you don't like it, I'll take it out. But you're going to love it, so I'm not worried about it. To make sure everything is taken care of. It's been excellent to work for. So my plans for the business, we actually have a satellite office over in Grand Rapids, so we're looking for growth. I'm looking for this business in itself to stay strong and keep growing. I'm looking to build another facility down in Florida, and I'm actually working with Mike Stuckey again because now I'm working with Poseidon for my Florida adventure, and it's kind of our perfect plan.